Amazon SageMaker is a fully managed machine learning workflow platform that provides services on data labeling, model building, training, tuning, and deployment. SageMaker allows data scientists and developers to build scalable AI ML models easily and efficiently. Models could be deployed in production at a much faster rate within the fraction of a cost what it takes at the local infrastructure. Now, this following diagram illustrates the typical workflow for creating a machine learning model. The first step is to fetch the data or to label the data properly. Then you have your data pre-processing steps like cleaning, treatment of outliers, general relation trends and correlations between the features. This is all the data preparation steps. Once the data is completely prepared and pre-processed, then this data is given to your machine learning model, and this machine learning model is trained on the training set of the data. Once the model is trained, then you evaluate the performance of your machine learning model with the testing set of your data. If you are satisfied with the performance, then you can directly go to the deployment and production. Otherwise, you have a hyperparameter optimization or hyperparameter tuning step in which you tweak the hyperparameters of the model in order to increase the accuracy of the model. So all the steps that are involved, and finally then you go to your deployment or production environment. Now all the steps that are involved in the machine learning life cycle can be performed using the AWS SageMaker service that AWS gives us. So this was the basic introduction about how AWS SageMaker is useful in the complete machine learning lifecycle process. Now in the next section, I'll open the AWS Management Console and teach you how to use the AWS SageMaker service and what are its basic components. Now let me show you how to launch AWS SageMaker from your Amazon Management Console. So first go to aws.amazon.com/console or AWS Management Console. Then log in. Enter your password and email ID that you have for this account. So as you can see, I have successfully logged into my AWS Management Console. Currently I am in North Virginia region or US East 1. Over here in your recently visited services, if you have previously used Amazon SageMaker, then it will be visible over here along with other services that I have used recently like S3, Athena, EC2, etc. etc. If not, you can just click on the search bar and search for SageMaker. So Amazon SageMaker, build, train and deploy machine learning models. So this is your main homepage of Amazon SageMaker. Over here in the left panel, you will find different services that SageMaker provides you. As you can see over here, this is the ground truth that you can use for performing your labeling jobs or labeling your data sets. Notebook instances. Over here you can create a notebook instance. This is your studio, and this is RStudio and Canvas. So let me show you one quick demo of how do you create a notebook instance in AWS, because this will be useful in our next video. So over here you just have to select create notebook instance. Then let's create demo 1, and notebook instance type will keep as it is. This all will keep as it is. And in IAM role, what we can do, we can click over here and then create a new role, and we'll select any S3 bucket. So this will basically give the access to any S3 bucket, or otherwise we can specify the address of the S3 bucket that we want to use. But as of now, we'll go with any S3 bucket and we'll click on create role. So it shows success, you have created an IAM role. Now we won't be doing anything with this. and we'll just simply click on create notebook instance. So over here, this will create a notebook instance. As you can see, demo1. This currently the status is showing pending, but after a few minutes this will be in service. So we'll discuss this in detail in our next video with a practical ML project that we will perform on this AWS SageMaker notebook instance. So I hope you are clear with the concepts discussed in this video and have a much better understanding about Amazon SageMaker. Now let's move to the next video. Thank you for watching.